How did this local DJ from Vancouver end up as the official World Cup DJ playing to 80,000 people? This is Yuri. She's a student of ours at Cosmic Academy, and she came to us about 2-3 years ago as a local DJ. Like a lot of local DJs and musicians, she'd been playing her same scene over and over for years and years and years, and she hit a ceiling. She had great gigs and great residencies in her city, but she wasn't going any further. She wasn't reaching any more people. Eventually, she applied to our program. She came to us and she said, I want to get better. I'm determined, I want to do more, and I want to reach more people. And that's where a lot of artists fail. Look, our program, we get 100 applicants a week. We get around 3,000 applicants a year. So we hear from so many musicians and producers and DJs, and most of them, they just keep doing the same thing over and over and over, expecting different results. But if you want different results, you have to change your path. You have to do more, and you have to evolve. And if you're a local DJ, the only way to do that is to become a professional producer. You need to be making music, signing records, building your brand, and that's going to push you beyond the local scene. That's exactly what Yuri did. And look, it's a very humbling experience because you might be an expert at being a DJ, but at making music, at being a producer, you're going to be a beginner. And we hear from a lot of folks, a lot of people that want to do it, they have egos and they're unwilling to go from a place of mastery to a place of starting fresh. But Yuri wasn't like that. She took the challenge. She came to our program and we pretty much started from scratch. She worked as hard as she could. She started learning the software, the production process, how to do the marketing, the branding. And even though she'd been DJing shows as a 10-year veteran, she understood and was okay with starting to sign records as a beginner. And that's exactly where she started. A few months after joining our program, she signed her first record. A few months later, she signed her second record. Little by little, she got her first #1 on Beatport in her genre. And as all this is happening, she's refining her brand because she's not just a local DJ anymore. She's now an artist with her own music, her own sound, and her own brand. And as her music continued to get better, the labels got bigger, the exposure got bigger. Her music on Spotify starts getting on the biggest playlists, getting major support. Her songs are easily getting 100,000 plays consistently. And now she's getting listeners from all over the world. And this is a key that we have to understand. When we're a local artist or DJ, the most amount of people that you can reach, 200 people can fit in that club, 100 people can fit in that bar. When you're a music producer, now you can reach people from all over the world. Fast forward a few years, and now Yuri has fans all over the world. She has people listening to her music all over the world. And she's getting offers from places all over the world. And that's when she got the call to play the World Cup. 10 days in stadiums of 80,000 cheering fans. Official FIFA DJ. And at Cosmic Academy, we are just so proud of her. We've had students play EDC and Ultra, but this is so rare. However, it's no different than someone stuck in their local scene. The lesson we can learn from Yuri is you must challenge yourself. If you want more, you must do more. And you can quite literally go from being a local DJ to playing the World Cup. We hope that this story inspired you. Smash that like button if it did. And if you're looking to do more, hit that link, apply to our program. We're always looking for more stories like this.